Here we are with a cervical adjustment. So what is going on with a cervical adjustment? Well, we're realigning the cervical spine, right? We're taking pressure off the nerves, improving blood flow to the intervertebral discs, the cushions that sit between the bones in the spine, right? And that's important because they need blood, oxygen, and nutrients to stay nice and thick and healthy so that they can absorb shock throughout the rest of your life, right? So what we're doing first is we're going to work on the muscular portion of the neck to rule out tight musculature being responsible for restricted range of motion. So I can see her range of motion here, slightly restricted to the left, our beautiful patient, and to the right is a little bit better, but we still have some restriction. So what is that? Is it bone? Is it muscle? We're going to find out. So here, we do a nice little stretch. Thanks guys for hopping on. Come visit us at Wen Wellness. If you have neck pain, low back pain, or if you just want to take prophylactic measures or preventative measures to improving your spinal mobility, overall wellness, and health throughout the rest of your life. So we were just stretching before the anterior, more frontal portions of the neck, and now we're working the back through here. You feel that stretch coming through there? Mm-hmm. Good. No pain, right? Just stretching? Good.
Feels good.
So we'll do this first. And then when we palpate or feel the cervical spine, we'll know exactly which bones are truly misaligned and responsible for any further restriction in her range of motion, right? Now, if you've never seen a chiropractor and you're concerned about anything, right? Because sometimes people say, well, I watched a Bruce Lee movie and he whipped this guy's neck and killed him, right? Well, it's extremely safe. The odds of an adverse event, a serious adverse event, how's that feel? Good. From a chiropractic adjustment, our guess what? 1 in what do you guys think? With Tylenol, it's 1 in 2,200. Chiropractic adjustment is 1 in 5.8 million. So if you took a shower today, that was more dangerous than your chiropractic adjustment you may be getting here in the near future. So now we feel the spine, and we say, okay. Right away I can tell this is not moving well. This is about her second or third cervical vertebra on the right. It means the body of the vertebra has shifted so that it's out of alignment and it's pressing on that nerve coming between C2 and C3. It's not moving great either. You feel that down there? That's not moving great. Is it tender at all when I press in there?
Not too bad.
Yeah. It's moving better than the last time.
Much better.
It's great. She's been getting consistent chiropractic care, and that's the key, consistency. So now let's see that motion, even before the adjustment, slightly improved. But we do still have some restriction. So now I'm going to test the motion of the bones here. And I feel less movement down low. And that was about, any pain with that?
No.
Felt good. That was about her C6 on the left. Right? It doesn't take much force. So that was about that much force, just it's speed that, you it can alarm somebody sometimes. Or make it feel really good. Depends how you look at it. So now we'll check this side. And sometimes adjusting one side will clear both, so we'll see if she needs an adjustment on this side. We'll get under the seat here. So moving much better is her lower cervical spine. that was a higher adjustment, about C2, C3. Any pain with that?
Okay.
Good, great. So you can face this side. Let me move this. A cervical adjustment, and that's, a lot of what it's about. Now, is the cervical spine the only issue when it comes to chiropractic and spinal health? Of course not. All right, but today we just wanted to demonstrate, what really a cervical adjustment is, kind of how it's done. You get to see some live action of When Wellness here, and we'd be happy to see anybody who wants to come into our office, pay us a visit, and see if we can help you, right? But we don't know that for sure the first day you come in. I would have to do a full comprehensive exam, orthopedic exam, strength, nerve testing, testing of sensation, your reflexes, and your range of motion, and see, is chiropractic likely the best thing for this person? Often it is. Sometimes it's not. We send you for x-rays after the first day. You bring back those x-rays, at least we look them up online, and then we look at them together and we talk about what's going on with your spine, whether it be your neck, your mid-back, or low back, or a combination of the three. Right? And then we determine the course of treatment and if chiropractic is going to help for sure. Proof is in the pudding. We like to see images so we know exactly what's going on inside your body before we treat you. Do our due diligence. So let's see what we got on here. Say hi to the homies. And we're going to go finish this adjustment. Thanks, Ma. Oates, what's going on? Con Life. Lucky number 69. Pirate, what's up? Ernesto, Malcolm, what's up, man? You got to come in. JB Dulio, TM, Ellisimation, J Pitt, Snark Wizard, Rasho Bowie, Rashawn. Thank you for the support, my friends. If you would, 20 loan, Coel. If you would like to book an appointment, 485-3643. That's our number. So you call the office and we could set something up. France Cuevas, Smith Montrose, Raven Lifts, Beowulf, Pump Dave, what's up, brother? Mr. Astron, my man. Malik, and Gerald MC, first one of the day. If chiropractic care is for you, let us know. If it's not, let us know. And anything that we can help improve your health with, if you have a topic of interest, I'd be happy to do a video on it. As for now, that's all we got for you, folks. We will see you tomorrow, baby. Not sure where, not sure when, but we'll see you then. Have a great one. Thanks a lot, and happy When Wellness. Good night.